Hey, good evening, everyone. Kids are in the pool still, and wifey went to go run to Starbucks. Great, nice little surprise. So, let me tell you what I have planned. There's a different type of SEO strategy called Avalanche Theory, and it's interesting. It has its real good benefits, and what it does is it helps you increase your rankings exponentially over time. I'm building a video and an article and everything else like that for the course. And so that's what I'm working on right now, just to kind of give everyone a little idea of what's to come next. Anyhow, thank you all very much for your support. This new update by Matt is really cool. I've been playing around with the different custom outlines, and it's very interesting and it's very, very powerful. And once you nail down something that you want, whoo, that is amazing for doing bulk blog creation. I've been playing a lot with bulk blog writing for a long time, and this just really took it to another level, and it's going to solve a lot of the problems that it has. So I will be creating some new stuff for my blog test site with a new custom outline and using some of those unique special features he has for that. Anyhow, that's it for tonight, and keep watch soon. Oh, like, subscribe, share, follow, all those cool things. Help the channel grow. Obviously, we're all connected somehow to affiliate stuff, but if there's tools that are on my site that you don't have and you want to use, hook it up.